Dear child, I see you fasting on every occasion. But haven't you read in the Sai Satcharitra that I was never in favor of fasting? God cannot be found on an empty stomach. After all, food is Brahma. So you are rejecting God by rejecting food. When hunger takes over, your mind wavers, your devotion weakens. Hunger breeds impatience, not peace. So please don't trouble your soul like this. Do you think your Father, your God, would ever want you to suffer in His name? No, child. Please Him not by starving your body, but by feeding your soul with kindness, compassion, and goodness. Every good deed you do is an offering to me. You don't have to donate large sums or make grand gestures. Start small within your means. Speak gently, avoid hurting anyone through your words or actions. Help someone in need even in the smallest way. Every little act of goodness is seen by me and it fills my heart with joy. Rather than starving your body, starve your mind of anger, jealousy, and bitterness. That is the fasting I ask of you. Child, you had once made a promise to me, remember? You had asked me to fulfill a wish, and in return you said you would offer me something to eat. Now that wish has come true, but you seem to have forgotten your promise. But I haven't. I am still waiting, not for the food, but for the love you pour into it. It's not the offering itself, but the bhav, the love, devotion and purity behind it that makes it special. Your Baba craves your love. And for those of you struggling to care for aging or sick parents, listen carefully. Do not lose patience. Do not treat them as burdens. Remember how they once panicked even at a sneeze from you? How they left everything to be by your side? How your mother cried silently when you were ill? They never gave up on you. So how can you give up on them? Serve them, love them, care for them until their last breath. This is my command. Also, I know you wish to pour out your feelings to the one you love, but are afraid of rejection. Go ahead, my child. Do not be afraid to show your true feelings. My blessings are with you. And child, I know you have been waiting to come to Shirdi, but for some reason or another it hasn't been possible. Don't worry. Go to a Sai temple near your home. That is your Shirdi for now. You will find me there. And when the time is right, I will bring you to Shirdi myself. Until then, remember, I am always with you and my love will guide you safely through this roller coaster called life. Your Sai.